Welcome to the website management portion of the Online Learning Center. In this video, we'll be learning about the Design Center Wizard. Let's get started. The Design Center Wizard will guide you through the process of providing requirements and preferences for your website design. The wizard is designed to make the process of customizing your website quick and simple. The more information you provide and the greater details, the sooner we'll be able to complete your project. At MA Web Centers, we have built hundreds of thousands of websites over the years, all over the world in different languages and industries. This gives us unique insight into the needs of many different types of users, and thus our wizard is designed to accommodate a wide spectrum of customer styles and needs. Some customers already know exactly what they want, from page layout to colors and content, while other customers are building their business's first website and need a bit more help. Our process is designed to support both client types and everything in between. The first thing you should know about the Design Center Wizard is that despite being an easy-to-use, streamlined tool, it does not set anything in stone. If you are unsure on what to enter in a particular step, it is perfectly acceptable to make a note that you are unsure and move on. We'll need this information eventually, but we do not want you to get hung up on any one step and stall your project. This stage of the process is designed to give us an idea of how you want your final website to look. So we'll review what you submit and get back to you with any questions or comments necessary to clarify any open issues. Let's get started on the Design Center Wizard overview. We are currently on the admin homepage. From the navigation bar at the top, select Website, and from the drop-down menu, click Design Center. We are now on the Design Center page. To get started, enter a primary email address that you would like us to use to contact you. This email address will be the primary method of communication throughout the design process, so it's important that you provide us with the email address you check most often. Once you have entered your email address, please click Submit Email, and we will send a test email to your account. Please click the verification link in the email we sent you to enter the Design Center Wizard. Once you have verified your email address, this is the first page you will see. You can download the agreement from here, and you also have the options to upgrade the design package if you would like for more pages. Once you download the agreement, please have the website owner sign the form and email it to us at designcenter@mawebcenters.com or fax it to us at 1-800-933-1050. After that is done, click the Proceed to Wizard button. The first step in the wizard is the company profile. This step helps us identify your business's identity, so we can create a web presence that matches your business. Once you answer all the questions, click the Next button at the bottom. The next step in the wizard is the color scheme section. These colors will be used to create an overall look for your site. When selecting a color scheme, think about which colors best represent the atmosphere, tone, and attitude of your business. If you'd like to enter notes about your selection, or you'd prefer to use a different color scheme that is not pictured in the wizard, you can enter this information in the optional color scheme notes area at the bottom of the step. Once you select your color scheme, hit Next. The next step in the wizard is the Layout and Appearance section. In this step, you will be asked to select a site layout based on a variety of graphic choices, and then select your desired site appearance option. The main components that make up a site layout are as follows: the header, the footer, the site menu, and the contents area. The header appears at the top of the page. The footer appears at the bottom of the page. The site menu section contains the links for the website, and the content area holds the important images and text that your visitors will see when they access your site. We will ask for specific details for these various sections throughout the Design Center Wizard. The site appearance options will determine the color, font, and text size that comprise your website's overall appearance. You will be asked to specify the following options. Please note that within the Design Center Wizard, you can click the question mark to the right of each option to learn more details about it. Once you have selected the layout and appearance, click the Next button. The next step in the wizard is the Custom Options section. If you have existing background images, logos, and/or fonts you want us to use in your new design, you can upload these files in this step. If you have any special instructions for Design Center designers, you can enter these guidelines in the other guidelines sections within this step. Once you answer all the questions, click the Next button. The next step in the wizard is the Custom Logo section. If your package includes a custom logo, this step will collect the necessary information to create your custom logo. To help the designers create the logo that matches your business, you will be asked to enter guidelines and/or upload documents containing your preferences for a logo. Your logo is an icon that functions as a graphic representation of your business. If you're unsure about how you'd like your logo to look, you can simply describe the tone and atmosphere of your business, any fonts you commonly use at your company, and indicate if your business uses a specific color scheme. These details will help us create a logo that suits your company. Once you answer all the questions, click the Next button. The next step in the wizard is the header section. This step will collect the necessary information to create your site header. The header is the top section of each page, and it often includes material like your company's name and logo, contact information, and the motto or slogan of your business. Once you answer all the questions, click the Next button. The next step in the wizard is the footer section. This step will collect the necessary information to create your site's footer. The footer is the bottom section of the page, often includes text links to other pages, your company's name, contact information, copyright information, and a disclaimer or terms of service link. Once you answer all the questions, click the Next button. The next step in the wizard is the site menu section. The site menu is a set of links that enables site visitors to navigate to each page of your website. This step asks you to assign a name for each page of your site and indicate the order in which you would like each page to appear on your website. We will also be asked to provide guidelines for the way you'd like your site menu to look, such as specifying whether you'd like a static menu or a drop-down menu. You can also upload any images you would like incorporated into your site menu. Once you answer all the questions, click the Next button. The next step in the wizard is the page details section. During this step, you'll be asked to provide details about the appearance and content of each page of your website. For each page, the following information is requested: guidelines about how you would like the page to look. Example guidelines include number of columns on each page, image locations on the page, and specific page components like maps or feedback forms. The specific text content you want to appear on your page, all image files you want to include on the page. Once you answer all the questions, click the Next button. The next step in the wizard is the product catalog section. If your package includes a product catalog, this step requests that you provide guidelines for the way you'd like your product catalog page to look. Keep in mind that the header, footer, and the background will be the same for the product catalog pages as it is for your other pages. We also ask you to upload as much information as possible about the product you would like to include in your catalog. If possible, we request that you enter or upload the following information from each product: product name, category or categories the product belongs to, product image file name, SKU code, short description, a longer description, price, quantity in stock, weight, size, color, style, etc. If you already have your product organized in a spreadsheet or other document, please upload it during this step. If you desire, you can download and use our product import template to organize and upload your product information. You also need to upload any image files you'd like to use to represent the product in that catalog. Once you answer all the questions, click the Next button. The last step in the wizard is to choose the target site launch date and finalize the requirements. Once you have entered the target site launch date, check the box that you agree. Our team will do their best to complete your project in the time frame you selected. Unfortunately, there is no guarantee as it relies on your prompt communication. After you have checked the box, please select Submit Requirements. This concludes the Design Center overview. Once you have completed the Design Center wizard, a project manager will contact you within 2 business days to discuss everything with you in far greater detail. This is a very iterative process, with you being in almost constant communication with your project manager. You'll be discussing ideas, making changes, and refining that concept until it's absolutely perfect for you. If you have any questions on the process or how to fill out the Design Center wizard, tech support is available 24/7. We can walk you through the process or explain any aspects of the process in greater detail. Thank you for watching, and remember, our customer care agents are always here to help you 24/7. So if you get stuck, please do not hesitate to reach out to us anytime for assistance.